Cloaked in beauty and shrouded in mystery, the Taal Volcano, a gem of the Philippines, commands our attention. Often mistaken as just a small volcano on an island within a lake, it's actually a complex volcano system, one of the most active in the country. Its eruptions, while infrequent, are nothing short of spectacular. The most devastating one, in the late 18th century, claimed over 1,000 lives and changed the landscape forever. Despite this, it's a popular tourist destination, attracting people with its serene beauty and the unique opportunity to trek on a volcano. But remember, beneath its calm facade, Taal is a sleeping giant. Its last eruption in early 2020 was a reminder of its latent power. Yet it remains a testament to nature's paradoxical blend of beauty and danger. This is the Taal Volcano, a marvel of the natural world, captivating and formidable.
Thank you for watching. Like and follow us for more.